So the reluctance of the Jamaican government to foot a $3 million bid, that's over 400 million Jamaican dollars, to host a leg of the World T20 tournament coming to the West Indies next year. We are talking about legacy and how much the country could benefit from this investment and blah, blah, blah. But you know, a lot of these calls coming out of emotional self-interest. If Jamaica cannot afford the bid, we can't afford the bid. Nobody, or definitely not enough people, watch cricket in Jamaica, not even T20 cricket. That is why we have a winning Jamaica Talawas franchise that don't play home games in Jamaica. So if we don't support our own winning T20 franchise, then a losey West Indies we are going to support. Yes. And if Jamaicans not watching West Indies, we are going to pack up somebody in a park. If you go watch South Africa versus New Zealand, or Ireland versus Sri Lanka, me not think so. Not to mention the relative weakness of the Jamaican dollar. Now look here, government is to be blamed for nothings in Jamaica, nothings, but choosing not to waste $400 million on a dying sport and a worthless team is not one of them.